We are recording. Hi baby, it's Saturday morning. Me and trucker Billy here took a walk. This is the Rio Las Lajas. Maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. I don't know. How far would you say, Billy? 20-minute walk?
Yep.
20 minutes from Playa Coronado. This is a very nice area. So it's got a big sandbar. And I'm panning around, pointing out at the ocean. I'll take you a full 360. Yeah, I'll put this one out on YouTube too, Billy. Those sound like geese. So this is it. You've got some very high-end homes here. Very high-end. Like the stuff we used to see over by Punta Paena in Uruguay. Stolen money. Taken out of the country. I don't know if you can hear it, but somebody's got the music going. I'll bet that I think it's that house there, which is really nice. I'll zoom in a little bit. I think they got the music going. La Ayuda is cleaning the place up. All right, that's it for now.